Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the GTA V error code 0xc00000fd? This is a common issue that can cause the game to crash after just a few minutes of playtime. The error message typically reads, "Game exited with code 0xc00000fd. This issue is particularly prevalent among players who use mods. So if you are also one of the users who use mods, then most likely the error is coming because of any of your mods. But worry not, there are ways to address this. The first fix to try is restarting your device. Simply shut down your device, disconnect it from the power source, and wait for around 5 minutes. Then, power it back up and check to see if the error persists. If the error code still appears, it's time to check if your game is up to date. Look for any pending updates for GTA V and install them. Once the game is updated, check again for the error. In some cases, the issue might be with Nvidia's game-ready drivers. If you've restarted your device and updated your game but the error continues to appear, head over to GeForce Experience and switch to the studio drivers. Please note that this could slightly impact your game performance. Lastly, if none of the above solutions work, it's time to check your mods. Start by uninstalling them one by one. You're looking for a potential culprit that might be causing the issue. If this seems like your situation, it might be beneficial to delete your entire mods folder and start from scratch. In summary, the GTA V error code 0xc00000fd is a common issue, especially for players who use mods. The first step in troubleshooting this error is to restart your device. If the problem persists, check for updates for the game. If the game is updated and the problem continues, consider switching to studio drivers in GeForce Experience. Finally, if all else fails, start uninstalling your mods one by one to find the problematic mod. Remember, gaming is all about enjoying the experience. Don't let an error code ruin your fun. With these steps, you'll be back to roaming the streets of Los Santos in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.